Dave here, Hayes Motorcycle and ATV in Thomastown, Victoria, Australia. Dave here, Hayes Motorcycle ATV in Thomastown. Just going to show you how to check your charge system on your motorcycle. This check applies to a multitude of different motorcycles. This is my multimeter. I'm going to set it to 20 volts DC on my multimeter. Just turn it on. Oh, that thing popped out. Right, so I've just got to plug that back in. So what we want to do is find access to our battery. We want to put our negative on the battery and our positive on the red one and our black on the negative. So this is a good battery. It's a brand new battery. I'll put it in. It's my bike, of course. 13 volts. Bike's just been run. Anyway, so we're going to turn it on. Bike comes on. 12.68. It's a good battery. I'm going to check the charge system. I'm going to start it. What we should see the voltage jump up to about 14 volts. Got 14 volts there. It's increasing. 14.5 is perfect and above. We don't want 15. 15 is overcharging. 16 is overcharging. Increase the revs. That's a good charge system. If it was anything less than that, or overcharging, i.e. if it was at 15 and a half, 16, 17, 18 volts, that's overcharging. That normally means your regulator rectifier is shot. So if it was undercharging, if it was say sitting like this and charge depleting and nothing going into it, that would normally mean that either your regulator rectifier was not functioning correctly as well, like the diodes in it are packed up or something, the wiring was bad, or the stator coil windings for the charge circuit are bad. Now, there's another video that I can do. We'll show you how to test the stator windings pretty quickly and easily to ascertain whether they are at fault or not. All right, thank you.